Punishment for stupidity in the forest. Announcement of the Tiger King. Dear forest dwellers, listen. For a long time, I have seen one stupid act after another happening in our forest. Some people think their shadow is a crocodile, some think a coconut is the sky, and some dream of tying the moon. Can all this continue? I am the king of the forest, so I have decided that from today onwards, the punishment for stupidity will be implemented. Whoever does something stupid will be punished in such a funny way that everyone will learn a lesson. I am always intelligent, so I will not be as stupid as anyone. But you, I will keep a close eye on you. Whoever proves to be a fool will die laughing. And remember, no one will be spared from this punishment, not even a fox. Ha! Am I stupid? I'm a genius. Listen, when I went to the city that day, I said that if I put a mobile tower on my tail, the whole forest would get free Wi-Fi. Just think, if I started the donkey network, everyone would greet me. But alas, before I could put the tower on, lightning struck my tail. I fell straight down from the tree and hung upside down. Even then, I came up with a new plan. If I turn on the radio with my ear, music will play 24 hours a day. How does it feel? Tell me, tell me. Ha ha ha. Everyone laughed and cheered. So the punishment is, I will stand by the pond for 7 days teaching swimming, even if I drown myself. Oh Father, King, you don't know, I am very intelligent. That day I was sitting on a tree eating bananas, and suddenly a coconut fell on my head. I immediately shouted, the sky is falling. The sky is falling. Then I saw everyone looking at me and laughing to death. I said, why are you laughing? The sky has fallen on my head. If that was really the sky, then I would have been the first monkey in history to be buried under the sky. Ha ha ha. Everyone laughed. So the punishment is, to hang upside down from a tree for a day. So that others can laugh at me. Your Majesty, I am smarter than everyone else. But I have an extraordinary intelligence. Listen. If we want light at night, then we don't need fire, lamps, or electricity. I will tie the moon with a rope. Once we catch it, it won't be able to escape. Then there will be light, and light day and night. Just think, then we will be able to play cricket at night, swim in the pond, and even marry a donkey, and the girl's family will say, what an extraordinary light. Ha ha ha. Everyone laughed. This time my punishment is to jump into the sky for 3 nights and try to catch the moon. If I can't, all the forest dwellers will watch my play. Listen everyone, I am the king, I will never do anything stupid. My head is always cool, my thoughts are always right. However, one night I was walking by the river. Suddenly I saw another tiger standing in the water. Just as big, scary, and roaring as I am. I immediately jumped in. Oh my, no matter how much I jumped, he jumped too, no matter how much I roared, he roared too. I was sweating with fear. I thought, another tiger has come to this forest, he will seize the throne. Finally, the parrot came and said, Your Majesty, that is your own reflection. Then I was completely ashamed. Even as a king, I am the biggest fool. All the animals and birds laughed together. Now I understand that even a king can be a fool. So the real lesson is, if you do something stupid, you will be punished, but there will also be a festival of laughter. Everyone, ha ha ha. Okay, from today on, if you do something stupid, laughter is mandatory along with punishment. Know how to laugh when you make a mistake, and learn from that mistake. Because if you try to hide your stupidity, everyone laughs, but if you admit it, everyone is happy.